Okay? Give me 2 seconds, sir. You need to listen to yourself. Okay? You brought this upon yourself, so you need to accept the consequences.
In Los Angeles, a streetwise justice suspect ways who's been watching a bit too much TV.
I'm not the fifth grader.
Plus a pair of complete strangers shares a unique bonding experience.
Hands up!